I am not making this up. I mean, I put this on God. I put it on my mom. Dude, we get movers to the house. They help me move. All right, so in the moving game, you got to get helpers. So you give them the address, they show up at the house. Sometimes the dudes show up early. So my Samoan dudes, they cool ass guys, but they showed up early, hanging out in their car waiting for me. I get it. I mean, sometimes we roll up early, there's a car just there that you've never seen, so it looks a little suspicious. So the guys are just waiting there, minding their own business, and this property manager of this apartment straight thinks he's the shit, goes up, starts talking shit to my guys, and he whips out a baton. At that point, my dude just like boom, got him. Like, it was the craziest thing I ever seen, dude. And next thing you know, it's Monterey, California, so there's like 7 cops there, the sergeant's there, everyone's there, and I'm like, what is going on here? But I mean, was he in the wrong though? If someone whips out a baton on you and just starts talking shit, do you Stockton slap his ass, or what do you do? I'm doing this sketchy ass move. The ocean's right here. It's a lot of craziness. What's going on, the truckers? Welcome to the Asian Mai Show. So today I'm out here in Monterey, California.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that
as you can see, we have to pick up furniture once again, and we're picking up, we're doing a shuttle, and basically what that means is I gotta rent a U-Haul truck, right? And then I gotta put it into my semi-truck. So for anyone that wants to make money in trucking, if you want a way just to up your game, I'm telling you, specialty freight is where it's at. So what does it look like in a moving trailer after it's been loaded? Well, here's the job right there. We gotta do it to the wall. This is what it takes to make some real money. Anyone that tells you that they could turn $100,000 a year in trucking just by driving the truck owns more than one truck, or they're lying to you, or they're in very specialty freight. Nothing in life is easy. And if you work your ass off, you can get to the opportunity where you can make some real money. Today, everyone works hard, but if you realize the people that work the hardest make the least amount of money, you gotta take on more responsibility. And there are a lot of people out there that just don't want it. But if you wanna get paid more, you gotta take more risks, and you have to have more liability. That's just how it is. Because if you're taking on more risks and more liability, and more things can go wrong, they gotta pay a little bit better.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.